I've been drinking water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time.
Good morning. Welcome to Kingsway parkrun, Urmston in Manchester. It's quite a lot of parking just next to the leisure centre there. There's also toilets in there. So the start looks like it's quite close to the car park. Just over to the far left corner. This is Kingsway parkrun's second parkrun. So it only started last week. So we'll be happy to do this. It's a nice close one for us, about 15 minutes just off the M60 in Manchester. Just a word of warning, this one is predominantly on grass. 99% of it on grass, 3 laps of the grassy course. So it has been sunny and dry this week, mainly in Manchester. So hopefully the grass should be not kind to us. Still put trail shoes on because I don't want to slip in the morning dew. But it's nice to do a new park run, especially when it's just started. Last week they had 506 on its first outing.
This is event number 2, hence the massive crowd of people at the first timers. So if anybody has any questions after this, I'll stay here and you can come and ask me. Especially if you're completely new, don't be afraid. I'm very friendly, and so I can talk you through anything you're not sure of.
Go! Have fun! Thank you. You too, mate. Perfect. Thank you. 177. $26.51. Here comes the wife. Today's our 11th wedding anniversary. What better way to celebrate than a brand new parkrun? Well done. That's Kingsway parkrun done. Tick. Wow, that was good. Such a well planned, laid out event that was.
It was. Loads of cones.
Loads. They must have bought the parkrun shop out of cones. It's pretty much just field what they've cordoned off, and so well organised. I really congratulate the event organisers for arranging it, and then for the people this morning, all the volunteers for setting this up, because this must have taken quite something to set up. It's a ginormous park, predominantly field, which has all been set out into a course. It's brilliant. Really well done to everyone that's done this. For the course, it's, as I said before, nearly all on grass. You do 3 laps and it's quite flat. You might see a few hills now, but you don't really notice them as you're running round. So not the fastest of times. There are a couple of pinch points where you go through tree-lined alleyways, but majority is just field, which you can overtake on easily. But yes, well done. This is the second park run for Kingsway Park in Urmston, Manchester, and there was a heck of a lot of first timers, as you would expect. Last week it was 506 park runners, and this week it is this many, and this was the fastest. And once again, I'd like to thank all of the volunteers to put this parkrun on. It was, you've done a fantastic job. And with that, thank you for watching. If you want to follow me on our parkrun adventures, click subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you thought this was helpful, and I shall see you on the next one.